everybody. So check it out. We got another Chewy box today. So let's open it up and scope out what's inside. What's in there, Juicy? Wow. Oh my goodness. Okay. So check it out. There's a whole bunch of these some puree blue ones. This is you can see the camera there. Alright, that's that flavor. And then there's some of these other flavors. Salmon, chicken, and the first one was with tuna. And then here's a big old bag. I think it must have a hole. Okay, it burst open at the top. It didn't. Are you kidding? So yeah, is that on the camera? Is that on the camera? Yay! It's on the camera. I don't want it to spill because it is leaking. We'll seal that back up. And so this is from our friend Ann in Pennsylvania. Thank you, Ann.
Thank you, Ann.
We really appreciate it. Where is the Booger Roux? I don't know. Johnny found the kibble in there. He's eating the kibbles. So that's always good. Alright. So we can't find Booger Roux. He walked off, so we'll round him up for the next video. I don't know where he is. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Have a blessed day. And we'll catch you on the next video.